At the point of daybreak, when no wind blows and the water, it appears like glass, and the only sounds you hear are coming from the street as the early workers drive on past. That's why I'm here, for the sounds of the harbor, where everything's so clear, with the sounds of the harbor, sounds of the harbor, sounds of the harbor. Later in the morning, till the early afternoon, the sun shines down and heats up the air, blowing friction on the water. Winds produce white-capped dunes and begin to play my favorite tune. And that's what I get from the sounds of the harbor. I'll never quit listening to the sounds of the harbor, sounds of the harbor, sounds of the harbor. A man comes to the end of number 40 dog and plays his violin. The sound reverberates the walls of the slowly moving tethered halls, creates a haunting sound so sweet. Sounds of loose sails catching wind, rumbling motors strolling in, orchestrated life in the sounds